All right, welcome back everyone and good evening. Temperatures today, technically a couple degrees above average as we head further into February. Meteorological spring just around the corner and things are starting to feel like it. Here's a live look outside our Junction City camera. Traffic obviously flowing quite nicely. Not even a cloud in the sky to talk about. Today was really just quite nice. Taking a more regional look at satellite and radar, we can see that not only Kansas is really quiet outside, but the surrounding states, the surrounding region, just not a whole lot going on, and that's due to a high pressure system at the surface that's allowing warmer temperatures to flow into the region. And we're certainly going to feel the effects of that tomorrow, the next day, and really even the beginning of the work week. Our next chance for rain is trying to organize itself out towards the Pacific, but it's just too far away to know much more than a chance of rain is in the forecast. Upper 40s right now here in Topeka, winds out of the south, 13 miles an hour. Those winds will pick up quite a bit heading into the beginning of the weekend. Upper 40s still holding on near Manhattan and Concordia, 46 for folks in Emporia. A little bit cooler up north near Marysville and Hiawatha, but again, about average for this time of year. Last couple of weeks, as we take a look at February, pretty much as a whole, we're really seeing a warm pattern right here. There were a few days cooler than normal, but for the most part, lots of red popping up, letting us know that temperatures, again, on the warmer side as we head further into 2023. Tomorrow morning, we'll be waking up in the upper 20s and lower 30s. Pretty mild start to the day. And then by the afternoon, we have some lower 50s popping up along the I-70 corridor. A little bit cooler up north near Marysville, Seneca, and Hiawatha, but I'm pretty confident everyone will have at least a good chance to see 50 degrees for the first half of the weekend. And then Sunday, this particular model trying to keep some cooler air up north. Not necessarily sure I buy that just yet. I think everyone will once again have a good chance to see at least 50 degrees, if not closer to 60. Look at Osage, Topeka, Emporia. I think we'll be pretty close. So get outside and enjoy our wonderful weekend ahead. Now, even though those warmer temperatures are coming in, they come in at a cost. Take a look at our wind speeds right here. Out of the south-southwest, 10 to 15 miles an hour through tomorrow around lunchtime. And then tomorrow afternoon, we could actually be seeing gusts 35 plus miles an hour. Keep that in mind. Mostly clear skies for tonight on into tomorrow morning. Cloud cover builds in throughout the day. Some models trying to give us a few drops of rain. I'm not on board with that just yet. Clear skies through Saturday evening, and then our next chance for more clouds comes in on Sunday. This rain you're seeing right here, also not on board with that. Sometimes these models have a hard time balancing data, so we have to do our best to take bits and pieces from each one. Lower 30s through tomorrow morning, lower 50s by tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a great weekend with some breezy conditions in the area. Average high for this time of year, 46 degrees. We won't be below that mark until our midweek storm system moves through, which is really just going to see a brief chance for rain. That's what you're seeing on Wednesday right there. With highs in the upper 50s and lower 60s the next few days, there's really nothing to complain about unless you're not a fan of the wind. That will be in the area. And a big cold front moves through Wednesday into Thursday, and that's unfortunately going to knock us back to reality because technically, Mackenzie, we're still in winter, but we're not far off.
Yeah, I mean, going from the 50s and then just...
Yeah, I mean, it's very standard around here, but you don't have to like it. It's just the way it is.
Won't.
No,
I'm just kidding. But it looks great this weekend, and we'll enjoy it for a couple days and then get back to winter.
I mean, 60, come on.
Yeah.
Let's get outside and celebrate.
Yes, people do love winter, so we'll think about them.
There you go.
Thanks, Ryan.